Now on to installing Burp. Download the community version of Burp. Just visit https://portswigger.net/burp. Then click on Get Community. On the next page, click Download the latest version. Then I'm going to just install the package as any normal application. A useful add-on when using and dealing with HTTP proxies and browsers is FoxyProxy. It's a simple browser extension that acts as a proxy switcher. We can define several proxies of several types like HTTP or SOCKS and quickly switch between them without going through the Firefox menus every single time. Just visit the browser's extension store or just Google FoxyProxy and install it.